Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm here in Zanesville, Ohio, and we're going to be taking a quick look at the McKinley School. Now this school was built in 1930 and operated until the early 2000s. I believe it was 2006 when it was finally shut down. Now from my limited understanding, it did pass through a few different owners who basically did nothing with it and then eventually ended up in the land bank for the county. Now it was recently purchased, and sadly by the time this video goes up, this school will no longer be standing, and instead there will be a apartment complex that is being built in this area known as the Zane Commons. At least that is the name as of right now. It may change. So unfortunately we are losing this historic, beautiful school. Now, from what I've been told, demolition is supposed to start relatively soon. I was actually told tomorrow, as in the day after I'm filming this. And while there are definitely some signs that demolition is about to begin, I really don't see it being tomorrow because, as I was flying my drone earlier, the school is still filled with stuff. It's actually really cool. There are still desks and stuff inside of it, and it just looks really interesting. Now, we unfortunately are not going to be going inside of it because, quite frankly, it does feel like a trap in a way that it would be so easy to go inside of it. But we can take a look here from the basement windows. And you can see that we do have some desks here in the basement. Appears there's a little stage there at the end. And then, of course, it continues on. Now, in this end, we can just see one of the corridors. There are a lot of pink doors in here, which I really love that. You know, older places used to have a lot more color. Everything now seems so boring and either, you know, white or gray or wood. Now, there are a few more things that we can see. So let's go ahead and walk over to the side here. So here is the old entrance. And you can see up here it says, "Character is the foundation upon which we must build if our institutions are to endure." William McKinley. Also, in a way, a bit of an ironic quote, since this place is about to be torn down. Now, you can actually still see we have a sign here. It still says no parking, school buses only. And of course we do have a lot that they just cleared out. Now, one of the cool things we can see back here is what I believe is the old ventilation system for the school. So, if you look down there, you can see I definitely think it's the old ventilation system for the school, which is really cool to take a look at. And then more pink doors. Now, you can also see where the old entrance directly into the basement was, and the back of the school here. Now, I actually haven't even looked over at this end yet, so you can see that there's some old equipment and stuff in there. And of course, there's also shattered glass everywhere. Then, of course, we do have the trees that were left behind. And finally, one more thing that I'm going to show you that I can really show you from the outside is this entrance that you can kind of see. So let me go ahead and so hopefully you guys got a good look at that. That's a really cool entrance. Now, to end this video, I'm going to show you guys some drone footage that shows off some more of the inside, because all of these windows make it incredibly easy to see what it once looked like. However, I'm also going to be dropping a separate drone video with more drone footage, so definitely subscribe if you want to see that. Thank you so much for watching, and hey, enjoy this drone footage.